Run function from the command line. I have this code. How would I run this directly from the command line?
With the C command argument, assuming your file is named foo.py. Alternatively, if you don't care about namespace pollution, and the middle ground,
just put a low somewhere below the function and it will execute when you do python your _file.py. For a neater solution you can use this. That way the function will only be executed if you run the file, not when you import the file.
Add this snippet to the bottom of your script. You can now call your function by running. This works because you are passing the command line argument, a string of the function's name, into locals, a dictionary with a current local symbol table. The parentheses at the end will make the function be called. Update: if you would like the function to accept a parameter from the command line, you can pass in sys.arg2, like this. This way, running python myscript.py myfunction hello will output hello.
Python C from myfile import hello. Hello where myfile must be replaced with the base name of your Python script. For example, myfile.py becomes myfile. However, if hello is your permanent main entry point in your Python script, then the usual way to do this is as follows. This allows you to execute the script simply by running python myfile.py or python mmyfile. Some explanation here. _name_ is a special Python variable that holds the name of the module currently being executed, except when the module is started from the command line, in which case it becomes _main_.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.